Hi, today you've heard of me Nubia Red Magic 6R and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap to the lock screen launch and temp section. Then tap to the wallpapers and here we can select our new wallpaper from our device default wallpapers and from our device gallery. For example, downloaded from the internet photos or previously taken on our device camera. For example, let's use one from this available wallpapers. Let's use this one. Just click here to apply. You can see how that will look on your lock or home screen. Then click to apply and select use for lock screen. Now we can see here the message that this wallpaper set successfully on the lock screen. So as you can see, that's so simple. Also we have the second way how we can do that. Just first hold for a while the screen. After that click on the right down corner on wallpaper icon and then select by the same way. Just you can click here to more wallpapers, tap to gallery, for example to downloads, select apply button and click use for lock screen. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.